Good evening to all. I'm Miss Science in front of you. Recently, Gujarat government has released the results of class 10th on 9, I think it was, sorry, on 8th May 2025. So I have secured 78 marks out of 80, which is a good, which is good. According to me, they are the maximum marks in science. Like someone has also secured 80 on 80, but I have secured 78. So I'm going to share you some tips and tricks to study your science. Like science is basically a subject to understand the concept and relating with the concept. I have understand them, I relate with them and secured 78 marks. The paper was quite not that much tough, but it was easy because I have studied the topic very wisely. That's the reason. And I was like, I didn't say that I have read a whole book. I have skipped some topics also, but the topic which have been understand by me helped me a lot. So I'm gonna teach you, like I'm gonna take some topics in science which are going to help me. So we will be starting with the first chapter of science, which is chemical reaction and its equation. Like this chapter does not have that much weightage. It has the weightage of 5 marks. I have the weightage of last year when I was studying in class 10th. I have that weightage. So if it changes, please take a note on that also. This chapter consists of 5 marks, which is I think important for you in your first term. It is going to help you. And a question, like I have some question marked, like which comes, they are compulsory question which are has sorry which has to be asked. Like, so the question, like which change are seen around you when a chemical reaction take place? Like this is a very important question. I have been reading and I have this question in my exam. There are major four changes occurs when a chemical reaction take place, which is change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, and change in temperature. There are three changes and a change of evolution of gas. There are three changes: change in temperature, change in color, change in state, and evolution of gas take place. This is a question that can be asked in your unit test, term 1 exam, midterm exam, yearly exam. That is an important question which you have to study in this. And here there are many equations. Like the teacher will give you an chemical equation, a scalar, I think, which was a word equation, and you are supposed to convert it into you are supposed to convert it into name of the element. Like someone has give you magnesium plus oxygen will give you magnesium oxide. So you're supposed to write Mg plus O2. That sort of thing you are supposed to learn in this chapter, which plays an important role. And the first reaction of the class 10th book is this only: magnesium plus oxygen will give you magnesium oxide. This is the simplest example that you can write from this chapter, and the first example of chemistry in class 10th. So kindly please take care of this portion also. And balancing plays an important role. If you are writing the equation but you are not balancing, it does not make sense. If the balancing is wrong, it is not going to help you at all. So learn how you can you can make the equation balanced. If you are unable to do this, please comment me down, and please ignore the background sound. The birds are, don't know why, shouting. And the types of reaction is very important in this chapter. Basically there are two, three, four type of reaction. Actually not four, but majorly there are four: combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, and double displacement reaction. These are the important reaction. And when you read the blueprint of the board, which is given by the which is I'm unable to frame a sentence. which is given by the board. They give like important points which are supposed to be asked in the exam, so you can take the reference of that, but these are the important topics which you are supposed to study. And the important topic of redox and reduction redox redox reaction, you see, which is basically the oxidation and reduction. Means like this is a very simple topic. I have understood it very laterly. If I have understood it earlier, then it would be a plus point for me, but like by the passage of time I have understand this topic also. It is a very good topic. Like redox and redox reaction is consisting of two things, which is reduction and oxidation. If oxygen will increase, hydrogen will decrease. Like I'm just giving an example. If hydrogen will increase, then the oxygen will decrease. If something increases, then the other thing has to be decreased. This is the redox reaction. And the last two topic of the chapter are corrosion and rancidity. These are also the good topics that you can study, and they are very simple to understand. Both are of daily life routine that you can totally relate with it. The corrosion is of oxidation, corrosion. Corrosion is erosion of one layer by oxygen. Corrosion is the, like, wait, I forgot what I have read. Corrosion is like a rusting. You can connect it with rusting also. When a metal is attacked by substance around it, as moisture, acid, etc., means being corroded. Something is being corroded by moisture, air, acids and other supplement present in the atmosphere is corrosion. Corrosion of metal, you have seen the corrosion of metal. Iron is being corroded by the atmosphere, air, moisture and etc. things. Like you can totally relate with the corrosion topic. It is very simple. Just you have to frame it in a sentence and you will get a marks. It can be asked like explain corrosion. And rancidity. Rancidity is something that been oxidized. Like when you take a packet of chips, and you eat some, and some amount of chips are left in the packet, and you put it in a s- put it in the atmosphere for some time. Like you just place in the kitchen, and like I will eat the later one, I will eat the left laterally. And next day you take out means you take the chips packet and eat the chips, and it has a like it has a different taste. Like it was not tasting when you have eaten it yesterday, and the same taste is like you're not getting the same taste, is the rancidity. Rancidity means oxidation has take place a lot, like excessive amount of oxygen is being placed on the chips, that's why it is tasting different. The word for this is the word is rancid. It can be toxic. The word can be toxic. I think you can use the word toxic. They taste different and having a different odor also. This is the word you can use. So these are the major topics which you can study from this chapter. Like recently, schools are not open yet, so you can study them home. And if you're having any doubt or any query, you can ask to me, comment me down. Like we are having problem in this particular topic, I'm going to make separate video on that particular topic. And next we are going to take the second chapter, which is acid, base and salts. This is also an important topic consisting of how much weightage does this chapter. This having the 7 marks weightage, which is really important. A 4 marks question comes from this chapter. Like, yes, a 4 marks question comes from this topic. So this is a very important chapter for you all, which is in section D. In section D, you will be having a question of 4 marks of from the chapter 2. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then please share with your friends. like the one who is studying in class 10th, so this can help them also. And comment for more videos if you like this video. Like, share, subscribe for more. Thank you.